Good morning, we're doing another worksheet walkthrough, so if you'd like to follow along with us for free, head over here. You can download it and print it off and follow along with us. So we are going to do how many today. We're going to practice our counting. How many? We're going to find the picture, then we're going to write how many. So our first is a picture of what? That's right, this is a star. So we are going to find our stars today. And what we're gonna do, I think we'll just circle it and then we can write the number. Are you ready? So I see one up top. I see one. I see two. Do you see any more stars? That's right, there's one over here by our birds and our basketball. How many circles do we have? How many circles do we have? We have 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 circles. So we're going to come down here and we're going to write how many we found. So we're going to curve on down, come to the middle, curve around, and that's our 3. Next up is a basketball. Basketball. We want to find how many basketballs do we have. So let's go in and circle our basketballs. I see that we have one up top, so let's circle that one. 1, 2, we have 2 up top. Do we have any in the next row? That's right, we do. 3. Do you see any more basketballs? Awesome job. There's one at the bottom and we have 4. We have 4 basketballs. We did 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 basketballs. So let's go and write our number 4. We're gonna go down, slide right, and down some more. So when we write our 4, down, slide right, down some more. Almost like you're making an L, and then you're drawing a line down. That is 4. Thumbs up when you're ready. Amazing job. Next up is our cake. Next up is our cake. We want to count how many cakes we see. So let's go ahead and start circling them. We're going to search first and then we are going to circle. Do we see any in the top row? That's right, we have one right here, so let's go and circle that. 1. Do we have any in the next row? We do, we have another one. Let's go and circle that. What about in the next row? Oh, in the next row we have 2 more. What about in our bottom row? In our bottom row, do we have any cakes here? Are there any cakes in the bottom row? No, no cakes there. So let's go in and count up our pink circles. I see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna do our 4 again. We're gonna go down, slide right, and down some more. Down, slide right, and down some more. Nice job. So we should have a 3, a 4, and another 4. And if you're just following along without the worksheet, that's a-okay. Just show me on your fingers. All right, next up is our bird. Next up, we're looking for birds. So let's go ahead and find our birds. Do we have any in the top row? Do we have any birds in the top row? No, looks like we don't have any birds there. What about in our second row? Yes, we have 2. We have 1, 2. What about in the next row? Here's another bird. Do you see any more birds? Do you see any more birds? Oh, I see one right here. So let's go ahead and count out how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. We have 4 birds. So let's go in and write our number. Down, slide right, and down some more. We have lots of 4s. Down, slide right, and down some more. Nice work. And last but not least, we have a butterfly. Do we have any butterflies on our page? Do we have any butterflies? Can you find any butterflies? I see one right here in our bottom row. Are there any more butterflies? No, it looks like there's only one butterfly, so we're gonna write a 1. We're gonna start at the top because we always start at the top. And then we're gonna draw a line down, and that is our 1. Though I realized we forgot to write our names. It's important to write our names because when you work so hard on something, you don't want it to get lost. You would like it to be returned to you. So the first thing we do when we get our page is we pick up our pencil and we write our name. So I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna write Mrs. K. Mrs. K. And the date today is Monday, September 23rd. So in September, we write a 9, a little dash, not too long, 2, 3, and since it's 2024, we are going to write a 4. So we have our name, and we have our date. Now you're not gonna write Mrs. K, you're gonna write your name. This is my name and you're gonna write your name. And then you're gonna write our date, or you're gonna write the date when you are watching this. So maybe it might be in October, maybe it'll be in January, maybe it'll be in the summer, but you write the date that it is right now wherever you are watching. But for Mrs. K right now, it's 9/23/24. All right, do you have a 3? Do you have a 4? Do you have another 4? Do you have one more 4? And do you have a 1? And did you try your best today? That's fantastic to hear. That's how we get better, by practicing. When we practice these skills, when we practice writing, when we practice counting, then the easier it becomes. As long as you try your best, that's all that matters. So we are all done for today. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I want you to count some things today. See how high you can go. All right, see you later. Bye.